Oh hi, welcome back. So let's say if you found some unprocessed films with these images that contain some orange and black elements in it. These are called negative pictures because the film has not yet been processed in a film studio so that the people in charge can actually turn these negative images into positive images with real colors. So take a picture of the film and then drag the picture into Photoshop, just like what I did. A picture of a car where the colors are inverted. Click on the image layer, click on image, head over to adjustments, and then click on invert to change the color back into the real colors. Just like so, yeah. Just like what I took. And then you can do some adjustment with the brightness and the shadow level, just like this. That's how you can turn negative images into positive images in Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Do drop like if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.